Hey, what is that? What's in your hand? What's in your mouth? Show me. What is it? What is that? Is that a toy? It's a toy? You put toys in your mouth? No. Is that gum? Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? Did you get in Ainsley's purse? Here, let me see. Spit it out. You're not supposed to swallow it. Where's it at? Give it to Mama. Let me see. You swallowed it?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to swallow gum. You're not supposed to swallow gum. It'll make your tummy sick. Okay? Don't swallow gum.
Okay.
It's not food. You don't eat it.
Okay.
Guess I better go find Ainsley's purse.